my beautiful people. My sunny son. Guys, look at Rivi. Hi. Anyways, people, welcome to a new video. I'm here parked up by Melissa's house, waiting for her to come outside because we're actually going to Vanessa's house. I know a long time y'all haven't like seen my friends and stuff, isn't it? The last vlog though, where I went to the water park, Melissa was there but I didn't vlog. I was only like showing clips of river and stuff like that. Well, I don't know where Melissa is. Melissa? Blew my hand. But yeah, guys, I am so hungry, right? Because we're just gonna go up and we're gonna like fry up some wings and stuff like that, do a little chicken and chips. You know, usually we cook like bigger food and stuff, but I'm preggers and I don't fancy chicken and chips. So they were like, all right, let's do that. So I went to the meat shop, got like some wings, and then I stopped next to the fish and chips shop where I got some fries only. I know it don't look that appetizing, but I was snacking on it because like I said, I'm hungry. Y'all believe that these chips, right, in this bag, it costs like £3? I can't believe how much it's gone up. It's ridiculous. £3 for small chips. I'm like, how much is a large? She says £4. Chips used to be like £1.50, you know. Jeez. Y'all see how happy River is now because he got company. Look at him. He wouldn't say hi just now to the camera because he see Mello now. He's like all happy. You see that on the tablets, Rivi? Oh, ever since River figure out that he could do this without falling, he must have done this 10 times already. Come, your bun. Come for the rest of your bun. Here. Guys, he love bun. Coming down again. Yay! This is the chicken. Going in a deep fryer. You put them in one by one? Yeah. How much chicken could go in at a time though? I think I ate. And this is what we're looking like so far. They look nice though. Yeah, I put them in the oven to keep them warm. Oh, nice. And River is here still having fun.
I just put my finger.
Yeah. Oh gosh. And I've been here cutting up all this big bowl of chips, my fries. Gonna be all kind of shapes and sizes, but beggars can't be choosers, you know. And then we got,
we didn't want to go with French fries.
And we got sweet potato here. You see how long it take me forever to cut these up, but yeah, that's what it is. Rivi,
Wash up your phone.
River, what you trying on these stuff? Oh boy, Mama's boy is crying again. Oh, he's sunny.
Them good?
Them the chips. Them salty bad? Yeah. I put too much salt? That last salt for true. But you would like that. Oh, Jason, you'd like on this put something like So Vanessa, come here. Because the chicken done frying, Vanessa. We got different what you call these selections or assortments. What are they? What's this one? Selection. Which one? This is it?
Yeah.
So this is garlic and parmesan. What's this one?
Sweet chili.
Sweet chili and
Honey barbecue.
honey barbecue. I'm at home now, y'all. I didn't see I was wearing today. It was a little hot girl summer still, you know. I'm soaking up the last few days of summer. So yeah, this is me today. Ooh, I didn't have this on. This was just, you know, take this off. Can you see me? Can you see me? Ding, 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 ding. I need to stop. Why? My friend CBN says, is this a hot girl summer? I was like, you can see the sun out and everything. It's like I'm soaking up the last few days of summer because it's soon done and winter will be here before we even know it. So yeah, it's like after 9 p.m. now and we just getting home. Yeah, we just getting home. I'm about to go and put River to bed. He normally goes to bed like 9 p.m. So I'm gonna go tidy him up and everything and try and get him to bed. Sean just got home as well. But that food was so good. I actually brought some home for Sean. Yeah, I brought his home in a container. So since I wasn't home, Sean would say, oh, I was at people's yard. I said, don't say that. Don't say I was at people's yard. Say I was at my friend's house. Because when you say you're at somebody's yard, it's like I'm a walkabout. Like I gone like gallivanting, just walking about the place. Like, you know? I'm like, no. I went to spend the day at my friend's house. Okay? Oh, by the way, I know from the previous vlog I did the diabetes test and I actually got the results today. No, I got the results yesterday and it came back normal. So my blood sugar levels was at 4.3 before I drank the sugary drink, and after that they took another blood test. Yeah, so after that when I took the second blood test, yeah, it was 4.2. So which is good, I guess. So I do not have River in this rice bottle. Y'all know I made this rice bottle for River when he was what? How old was River? 6 months old? I don't even remember, but he still plays with it. Let me show you. This is what he's here shaking. So it's just a water bottle that I put rice in for when he was younger. And he's still like shaking it. Here he is. Say hi. He's trying and he's shaking it. He's like looking on that side because he's looking at himself as opposed to looking into the lens right here. Yeah, so I don't have gestational diabetes. And the funny thing is that when I was doing the test, there was a woman that came in there. She was like 34 weeks or something like that, and they had her doing it again. Don't eat that, baby. They were saying that her baby weighed like, look at me telling y'all people business, right? But I overheard, so you know. So they said that they told her that according to their scans and stuff, her baby was already measuring to like weigh at least 6 pounds already at 34 weeks. That's huge. When River was born, he was 6 pounds 6 ounces. ShéKayla was 6 pounds 11. So at 34 weeks pregnant, for them to like say, really, her baby looked like a 6 pounder. I mean, sometimes they're wrong, you know, but a lot of sometimes they're right. So you never know. So, you know, precaution. So they sent her to do that test again. I just think in my case, if I don't have that, it's just not having a bigger baby. I mean, I don't know. Right? No, Rivy, don't go in the cupboard. You're always trying to go in there. Leave it, baby. No. Good boy. Yeah, just wanted to give you guys that little bit of update. Yeah. Say hi. Yeah. Yeah. Show them your rice. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shake it. Shake it. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. You giving them some rice? Guys, so it's actually a few days later and I have been trying to do today's actually Wednesday and it took me about maybe an hour and a half to take these braids out. I only have like a few left, but as you can see, I took them out so I can probably wear it. My hair is not, it doesn't really look that dirty. I'm gonna go and get my hair done on Saturday. I'm not putting in any more braids right now. I'm just gonna go and get it dyed. I'm gonna dye it black because my hair is turning back brown. Yeah, my original hair color is brown. So yeah, and tell me, these are so much easier. You know, it's the first time I've actually put braids like this in. And I think moving forward, I'm gonna keep putting these ones in because it's so much easier to take out. and I think it fit me. It take my face. Yeah, I think I look better with this type as opposed to just the normal box braids. So perhaps I can give it another try. Would probably choose a different color. Yeah, but definitely these are so much easier. Sorry if it sounds echoey, but you know, I'm in the bathroom. I was in the bedroom earlier. I was sitting down nice and comfy. River was in there keeping me company as well. But right now it is 12 o'clock, which means that it is nap time for River. If you guys don't know, you know, River is 15 months old now, by the way. We have such a routine, a great routine. So between 12 and 12:30, I just need to put him down. You know, you put him in the crib and he goes straight to sleep. So I have on some like nursery rhymes in there. He's just watching that and laying down with his teddy bear, well, Leo the lion, and his blanket, and he's gonna fall asleep shortly. You know, I don't have to put him to sleep or anything. He just falls asleep because it's such a routine. You know, once his belly's full, he's changed and everything, you know, you just put him down and he's gonna sleep for about between 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes he gives me 2 hours, sometimes it's 2.5, or probably if he's really tired, he goes straight on to like 3 hours. So he usually gets up shortly before it's time to go and get ShéKayla from school, which is perfect timing. So yeah, that's about it. Also, y'all, it is my anniversary weekend. So when you guys are watching this vlog, it will actually be the day of my anniversary. It's our 2-year wedding anniversary. We don't really have anything planned. We don't have anything planned, but yeah, it's our 2-year wedding anniversary. I'm super excited about that. But you know, I was saying the other day, like, I can't believe it's been 2 years already. Like 2 years, a lot happened in 2 years. Like we're like 2 years in and 2 babies later. Like it's just crazy how life could just change just like that, you know? Like dang, I feel like I just got married and now it's like I'm gonna be a mom of 3 already. Like my life just changed completely. Like from being in a long distance, you know, it was just ShéKayla and I living here. Sean is in the States, they're traveling back and forth. And now it's like we're all together and growing our family, soon to be a family of 5. Went from just my daughter ShéKayla and I, now it's gonna be the 5 of us. God is so good. Oh gosh. And I wanted to thank you guys as well for the well wishes in the previous vlog, you know, about the whole concerns about the baby and all of that. You know, you just leave everything in God's hands, I guess, right? Yeah, I'm sure everything will be fine. Baby's always moving, kicking up a storm, very active. It's just, I tell you, late last night, oh, I'm done. Oh man, I have 2 more. But yeah, I'll probably just catch up with you guys on Saturday. Obviously this is supposed to be a weekly vlog, but I can't vlog every day. I'm actually working tomorrow. Yeah, I'm off today, and then tomorrow I'm going to be working, and Friday I'm off, and then it's my anniversary weekend. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'm thinking I need to go and refill my nails, but look, I think I could go a bit longer. They don't look like that bad, right? I'll probably just do it next weekend or something. I don't know. I'll see how I feel, actually. Yeah. But yeah, I'll probably see you guys in a couple of days when I'm doing my hair. So now you see my hair looking like this, and next time you guys see me, I shall be at the salon. Alright, see you guys at the salon. Hey people, my voice always just cracky. I think COVID messed up my voice, you know. Yeah, see, I combed out my hair, looking like a mad woman. Yeah, so I'm headed into the salon now. You know, I like my hair like this though. I feel like when I go do my hair flat, it fit my face better. Yeah, so I'm literally just gonna go wash it, flatten it down, dye it black, and yeah. Oh, my hair does some move, y'all. Look at Vanessa. Hey. This is it here. Mommy's hair by mommy. Yeah, so she moved.
She's not here, so let's go get a bruise. She ain't here yet.
I want Peter. Oh, she's not here?
No.
Sabrina?
Yeah, here we go, come back.
Hold on, let me show the people in here, because, oh, this is me, in here, nice. Y'all never been in here. So this is her new space. Y'all remember where she used to be, because I've vlogged many times. So yeah, this is a new space. It's very big. Yeah, in here set up even more since the last time I've been here. They've just been open like probably a month and some. Oh, I like. So it's here by mommy. Oh, I think because most times when I buy you, I use the phone. But I have this camera a while now. I think I have this camera probably almost 2 years. So bye bye brown hair. Oh my gosh, copyright music, I can't stay. But yeah, this is it. What's love got to do? Okay, so I have just been doing a little bit of shopping. I went to Primark and I just came out of that home store. So I just went and I bought a very nice, comfy duvet set. But I think next weekend, y'all get this vlog tomorrow by the way. I think next weekend I need to go and do some house shopping. I'll probably take you guys with me then. It was just like a quick shop. I went to Primark to get some PJs and you know, little stuff for River only, nothing for me. And then I was passing the home store just to browse and I saw that duvet set and they had it on sale, so I bought it. But guys, so this is my hair and I think my hair is breaking. So here I am. I'm wearing a dress today, sneakers, got my bags here, and yeah. So this is us. Yeah. I've actually left Vanessa at the hair salon because she's getting her hair braided. And she should be finished by now though. I told her I'm just gonna go to Primark and get a few stuff. And she's actually gonna go with me. We're gonna go to Asda because she was suggesting. So tomorrow is our anniversary and we're not gonna go out to dinner. Like, you know, did I mention it before? It's like, we're gonna just stay at home and do something, you know, nice. I wanted us to go and get do pizza, just because that's how our relationship started. And Vanessa was like, oh, my hand is killing me. Yeah, so Vanessa was like, why don't you just do like a nice steak dinner? And, you know, and like she was giving me suggestions. Yeah, because that's her thing. So we're gonna go to Asda. Need to vlog with the other hand. Yeah, so we're gonna go to Asda. And so she's gonna help me get a few things. You know what? I wonder if I should go in this Polish bakery to get a nice dessert, but my hand's full. I don't know. I'll just skip that. Yeah. So she was like she said get some kind of prawn thing. I have prawns at home though, in my freezer. So yeah, I'll see what she suggests and I'll get those and I'll probably just surprise Sean with that and just prepare that for our nice little home dinner. And so looking forward to that, y'all. I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that. I might, but yeah, can't believe we've been married for 2 years. Well, yeah, tomorrow 2 years. It's crazy. But yeah, y'all could hear how out of breath I am. You know, that's what happens when you're preggers. And plus I'm walking with all these bags. I don't know who sent me. Oh golly, I'm tired. See y'all people. Oh my gosh. I look like a true preggy weggy, like a proper, look at me. I'm walking like so we came here by this piercing. I didn't know they started piercing in where we is, not Boots, Superdrug. We're in Superdrug, and look, they do like they started doing piercing. So that lady over there is gonna do the piercing. So you know guys, I always wanted to pierce my nose. It's $17.50 to pierce my nose. So I called Sean because I told him like obviously I'm with Vanessa and whatever, and I called Sean and I said to him, babe, I'm going to pierce my nose. And he was like, why? This is a conversation we've had over the years as well, you know. And he's like, I said, because it's only $17.50. He's like, it's not about the money. Sean hang up on me. Sean hang up on me. But I was only messing with him, y'all. But years ago though, it was something that I seriously wanted to do. So right now he thinks I'm gonna pierce my nose. And I was gonna just say, you know, but the lady said that either way she wouldn't be able to pierce my nose because they don't do pregnant women in case I get an infection because I can't get antibiotics, blah blah blah. So I said, but what if I'm just fat and I'm not pregnant? She's like, you are pregnant. Yeah. So no nails piercing today. I wish I could just buy this stud and stick on and go home and see what Sean see what he says. But I'm not gonna mess with him, y'all. Let me not upset my husband at our little anniversary weekend. Oh my gosh. So I actually got sweet and sour chicken, caramel chicken, and this is with noodles because you know I still can't have the rice when I'm pregnant. I don't know what it is with my pregnancies with River and his sister that just won't allow me to just consume rice. Is that my stomach completely shifted, like I just cannot have rice at all. So I'm just having it with water. Water is my go-to drink nowadays. Yeah, Vanessa gone to get hers. So yeah, then we're gonna go, and remember I said I wasn't gonna do my nails, but we are gonna do our nails because it does look horrible. So I guess that's the next stop, y'all. Guys, I am so afraid of my nails. It's not even funny. Every time I'm doing my nails they tell me to relax. Oh gosh, I can't help it. I'm in this new place though. It's not my normal place. So I'm getting infill. I call it refill. My manager said it's not a refill, Shawnake, it's infill. But I still just say refill. But I'm changing the color because I don't like the baby pink. Yeah, so I'm getting a different color. So I guess I'll just show you guys the end result. Oh my gosh, I hate this drilling part. Oh my gosh, I'm such a baby when you want style. And you think I've been doing my nails for years, but just don't like that thing, man. It is right now, it is 4:50 in the afternoon. Can you believe my hair appointment? When y'all first saw me, my hair appointment was at 9:30 in the morning, okay? And so we ended up just, I waited for Vanessa to complete her hair. And obviously, you know, I went shopping. I'm gonna take a picture and insert because this is not gonna focus so good on my nails and my fingers. My hand is so dry, but I love this. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in love with this new nail place. Yeah, absolutely. Love that nail place. Anyways, what y'all didn't see was that we went to this Afro-Caribbean shop. I went and got some plantain and stuff like that, you know, and I found a bonbon. Guys, I haven't had this since high school. This is what gave me my little, you know, why I had to go and get filling, because every single day I had one of these lollipops. Was she gone? Oh my gosh, was she gone full speed? Leave me like that. Vanessa forget that I am following her. Golly. Yeah, every single day I had one of these. Brings back memories. And the taste the exact same. Y'all, I just realized my nose getting big. Oh my gosh, my nose is getting so big. Anyways, I am going to wrap up the vlog here. I'm still supposed to go to Asda to go and get my little stuff to surprise Sean with a nice little dinner tomorrow, you know, for our anniversary. So you guys will be seeing that. Hopefully I vlog it if I'm in the mood, or if I have the time I will try and vlog it for you guys so you can see me preparing it. I think steak is on the menu, like I don't know, I think. And I have to go and get some strawberries. Oh my gosh, but I probably should have gotten the strawberries on the high street. Hopefully as they have nice strawberries, because what am I gonna do? Because I'm gonna do like strawberries dipped in chocolate and stuff. Anyways, This vlog is for tomorrow, so I need to head home and edit it. So I'm gonna head to Asda right now, go get this stuff, go home to my family because I gone from morning. You know, and I told Sean I was only gonna be a few hours to go and do my hair because that was the plan. I wasn't really gonna do my nails. Remember I tell y'all I could have waited another week, but anyway, I will catch you guys in the next vlog, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day or have had a beautiful day if you're watching this vlog later in the day or some other time. You know, I love you guys as always, and yeah, you guys take care and see you in the next vlog. All right, people, bye.